how to perform a bidirectional calibration. And we have left the compass mode, again pressing the compass. In the digital compass mode, pull the crown out, and this will cause this to appear on the sub dial. While keeping the watch horizontal, press the upper compass button, and weight will be shown on the digital display while calibration is in progress. And then we are waiting for OK, and there it is. Now turn 180 degrees, and the calibration is successful. If the number 2 appears and error appears display, it will read the error. So let's rotate the watch again 180 degrees and press the compass button, and weight will be shown on display while calibrating is being performed. When calibrating is successful, it should be right OK, and auto calibration is complete, so push the crown back in. That would be performing the bidirectional calibration.